Welcome to RCCO On Air, Season 4. Let's explore owners' corporations and how they shape our communities.
In Fock and Chen 2025 VCAT, this case concerned an encroachment dispute between neighbouring lot owners. It demonstrates how VCAT deals with installations that occupy space outside a lot owner's legal boundary. The issue was whether the applicant was required to remove a hot water system that had been installed on the neighbouring owner's land, and it had historically been there for a long time. The parties owned adjoining lots in a small residential development. The Fox hot water system had been installed behind their neighbour Mrs. Chen's unit, occupying a portion of her lot. The installation appeared to have existed for some time, possibly from an earlier owner. Mrs. Chen sought an order requiring the Fox to remove the system from her land. The Fox argued that the system needed to remain where it was or be relocated to common property, which would require owner's corporation approval. The rule is, a lot owner has no right to occupy or use another's private property. If an installation is located outside the lot boundary, it constitutes an encroachment and may be ordered to be removed. Any relocation onto common property requires the consent of the owner's corporation and may require a formal agreement such as a lease or license. In applying the rule, VCAT accepted that the hot water system was installed on Mrs. Chen's lot and that the Fox did not have legal authority for it to be there. The tribunal therefore granted Mrs. Chen's application and dismissed the Fox counterclaim. The Fox were ordered to remove the hot water system and reinstall it either within their own lot or, if permitted, on common property with proper approval from the owner's corporation. VCAT made no further directions about the method of relocation, leaving it to the parties and the OC determine a complaint solution. This shows that VCAT takes very seriously the encroachment onto other people's land, despite any historical use of that land.